Hello everyone, this is Aryan, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally, your ICSE English paper is over, and let's discuss the answer. I hope आप सबका पेपर अच्छा गया है. Quite easy it was. चलिए, let's start with the passage first. Now I have read the passage. मैं आपको आपका word meaning बता दूँ. Satchels will be your school bags. Should be your answer. Correct option. ठीक है, school bags. स्पेयर विल बी, वहां पे एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के फॉर्म पे बोला है, सो स्पेयर विल बी योर एक्स्ट्रा. ऑपोजिट ऑफ द वर्ड क्लोज्ड विल बी ओपन. ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर आई थिंक आप कर लिए होंगे. प्रेसी ऑल वुड हैव डन. लेट्स टेक अप द टेंसेस. वी फाउंड अ डेड माउस lying among our treasure. It was an exciting discovery. A boy took it up by its tail and waved it in front of our faces. What shall we do with it? He cried. It stinks, someone shouted. Throw it out of the window quick. He hesitated. They all looked at me, and this is your answer. Chaliye. My best friend John is named after his grandfather. A grey mist hung over the field. The little girl spoke up against the bully. They accused him of theft. The police got the fire under control. There is a bridge across the river. The driver jumped off the car, and I have not seen my uncle since last summer. Should be your correct option. Okay. Chaliye, next. Moving to the synthesis conjunction. These are fresh mangoes. I bought them yesterday. Correct option will be option A. These are fresh mangoes which I bought yesterday. The debating teams were very happy. They were declared joint champions. C will be your correct option. The debating teams were very happy as they had been declared joint champions. Take care. The rain came down, all the people ran away. The correct option will be A. When the rain came down, all the people ran away. The disciple was wise, teacher did not trust him. The correct option is D. Although the disciple was wise, the teacher did not trust him. Now for the transformation, the teacher said, come early tomorrow, the examination begins at 8 o'clock. The correct answer would be option A. The teacher told us to come early the next day as the examination would begin at 8 o'clock. Chaliye, moving to the next one. Rahul not only plays guitar but also the drums. Use as well as. Option A is your correct option. Rahul plays the guitar as well as the drums. Next one. She said she would not be available. She said that she add a question tag. So iska hoga. She said that she would not be available, didn't she? Take care. Fourth one. This is the most beautiful painting in the exhibition. D is your correct option. No other painting in the exhibition is as beautiful as this one. Number 5. I prefer aerobics to yoga. I would rather do aerobics than yoga. Number 6. The coach taught the children the rules of the game. The rules of the game were taught by the coach to the children. This should be your correct option. 6 part D. Number 7. No sooner did the film star arrive than the crowd cheered. As soon as the film star arrived, I think there's a error. कॉमा लगना चाहिए था यहाँ पे, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. As soon as the film star arrived, comma, the crowd cheered. I think council should be giving grace marks for this. School bags are often too heavy for the students to carry. The correct option will be school bags are often so heavy that the students cannot carry them. So I hope आपका paper अच्छा गया. Just check the answer and let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts. And for more such quality content, like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.